Students, today we shall discuss few questions based on the trigonometry. Now, in the PDF, if you observe, all the formulas are there, so we can use that formula to simplify these questions. Now, first question: find the value of sine 15 degree. In class 10th, you already study about the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. But you never study about the sine 15 degree, cos 15 degree, tangent 15 degree. All these value can be find out by us with the help of trigonometrical formula. See this one. Sine 15 degree. I can rewrite this 15 in the form of 45 minus 30. Remember, whenever you write down these value, it is value in such a way such that the number whose trigonometrical value will be already known to you. Only then we can substitute these results. See this one, 45 minus 30. So it is look like as sine of A minus B. So I write down the formula here, sine of A minus B. It is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. It is sine of A 45 degree, cos of 30 degree minus cos of 45 degree and sine of 30 degree. Remember, sine of A minus B can never be equals to sine A minus sine B. Some students do mistake, they can write down like that, sine A minus sine B. It is never. So remember the formula, sine of A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now apply the formula and value. Sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 under root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2 and sine 30 it is 1 by 2. After that, if you observe the LCM is same, it is 2 root 2, you will get the root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now I just give a small change. In place of 15, if we ask about find the value of sine 75 degree, then what is the change? Only change that becomes 45 plus 30 degree. Only the change is 45 plus 30 degree. Only one change in formula. In place of A minus B, it will become A plus B, and the formula for A plus B is this one. Only change in the symbol. So again, we can change the symbol here, we can change the symbol here, we can change the symbol here, and you observe the value of sine 75 degree. But all these things occur with the help of formula only. Remember it. Now, see one more question. Tangent of pi by 4 plus x upon tangent of pi by 4 minus x is equals to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. We have to prove the following result. Now, tangent of pi by 4 plus x, if you know the formula, it is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. And it is division, so I write down here symbol of division. After that, formula of tangent pi by 4 minus x, it is 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. If you see the formula of tangent of A minus B and A plus B, both formula are the same one. Now, when division is changed into multiplication, then these two term inverse or reverse itself. So 1 plus tangent x in numerator and 1 minus tan x in denominator. These two functions are same, they are in the form of multiplication, so they will make a square. These two functions are same, again they will make a square, so result becomes equals to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. So with the help of formula, it is easy to calculate or it is easy to solve the question. Let us see one more question. Cos 7x plus cos 5x upon sin 7x minus sin 5x. We have to prove that this result is equals to cot x. Now we take the left hand side, cos 7 cos 5. If you observe, it is cos, look like as this angle as a one angle and this angle is the another angle. It is like as an angle C and it is studied like as angle D. So formula for cos C plus cos D. Remember, it doesn't mean that cos will be common. It is never possible. These are the trigonometrical function with different angles. So we have to apply the formula cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Whenever there is a cos and there is a addition, in that case, first both function occur with the cos, one with the positive angle and other with the negative angle. Now come to sin C minus sin D. So it will become 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. In case of sine, if it is a negative contain, then first function with cos and second function with sine. And if positive is there, then first function with sine and second function with cos. So you must remember the formula. These two get cancelled. Cos 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 2 6x, 7 minus 5 2 divided by 2, that is only x. cos 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 2 6x, sin 7 minus 5 2 by 2, that is equals to x. Cos 6 and cos 6 get cancelled, cos x upon sin x, that is equals to cot x. Now if you observe these 3 question or 4 question, in all the question we use the formula of trigonometrical function. So it is necessary for you to remember the trigonometrical formula first. I have given approximately 34 formula to you in the PDF. It is your duty to note down all the formula and revise this formula with the help of writing. Now when you revise this formula, or in every question, whenever you do the question, first write down the formula, after that you can go with that question, then it is easy to you to remember the question, and after that you can simplify these.